Welcome, everyone is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, you will want to hold power key, select power off. Once the device turns off, you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And you're going to hold it till you see the OUKITEL logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of only the power key but keep holding volume up. There we go. Now, if you hold the power key for too long, the device will reboot again, so you need to, from there, wait till that logo appears again and try to let go of the power key a little bit quicker. So anyway, from here, you should be located in the recovery mode. So in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate in order to select the second option, which is Reboot to Bootloader. And once it's selected, confirm it with power key. Give it a second and it will enter Fastboot mode. And there we go. As you can see right at the bottom, Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it. And once you're done with this mode and you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power key. So you're gonna hold it till this thing disappears from the screen. There we go. And as you can see, the device automatically boots back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.